Alright, so we got a new package that came in the mail today. Looks like, I believe this is the steering wheel. Open it up, take a look at it. Deep dish steering wheel. Oh yeah. That's gonna go right here. Bam! That shit's gonna be JDM as fuck. Alright. So now we got the steering wheel hub in the mail. Time to open up the sucker. Alright, so here we have it, guys. Pretty damn heavy. The quality of it doesn't look too bad at all. It really doesn't. Hopefully that can fit. This is going on a 95 Civic. So we'll see what happens. Alright. This weighs about maybe a pound. I'm not sure, but pretty damn heavy. Alright, so here's the new setup right here. And here is the old setup. So this is the DND or DND quick release right here. I decided to get a silver polish one because I don't want it to be too colorful. I would have got the purple one, but I don't know. But it goes in somehow like this. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. But yeah, so it goes on like that. Got the short hub. The regular size hub. I think this whole setup right here paid about maybe 130 or something like that. This is not a real Momo steering wheel, so you know, I'll admit that. None of this stuff is real, but I did a little bit of research, and this short hub right here is pretty damn heavy, and it looks like pretty damn good quality. And DND, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about it, and people say it's really good stuff. Not bad for the price. Here's all the bolts and stuff. Comes with some Allen keys. Yeah, also came with 2 stickers and lanyard. Companies like this that try to represent themselves, you know, they're gonna become a good company. Sticker life matters. This sticker right here will make a difference on someone's car. But yeah, we're gonna be installing the new setup, and the steering wheel is quite a little bit bigger, so see how that works out. Alright, stay tuned. Alright everybody, so this is the old setup right here. It's another eBay setup, and the reason why I got a whole new setup is just change up the style. And this thing is old. I had this for probably about like 9 years, and as you can see, the ball bearing of it is kind of wiggly now. But yeah, we're gonna be uninstalling this and then installing the new setup. Alright, there it goes. Shit, I forgot to take this off. This thing, it doesn't come off when it's fucking cold. I gotta do it with 2 hands. Let's see. There it goes. Oops. And yeah, so this quality is really not all that great. The threads strip pretty easy, but it lasted while it could. It lasted me for about 9 years. And then this right here is just a 19mm boat. I would suggest using an impact and taking it out. That way it's just easier on you. Alright. Took it off no problem. And there you have it. This is the old setup right here. Alright, so here's the new setup. Let's see. Yep, see this one, it at least has the line right here where it will lock in place to these 2 little guys right here. I noticed on some other cars it doesn't have it, but there it goes. I wish I could put the horn on, but the new DND setup doesn't have that for me to put on, so looks like we're gonna be hornless again, but it's okay. There it goes. But this is how the setup's gonna be. The wheels are straight, hopefully, and then yeah, then we'll be installing the quick release on it. Then we're gonna be ready to be on the road and do JDM shit now, you know? There it goes. Alright. Hell yeah. We're gonna be hella doing some JDM shit now. Alright, so I got all the bolts on. Time to take this off. Yeah, got all the bolts on right here. Time to tighten this thing up, and man, it's looking real nice now. Really, really nice. You don't even know, man. I don't know how long I waited for this stuff to come in. I made sure I was at home. That way nobody steals my package. So I had that happen to me before. And that really sucks. When I try putting a steering wheel on the piece that covers this, the horn, it doesn't fit all the way, so which sucks, so I'm not gonna be able to put that over it. This thing gives it a lot of style, you know, but with that missing, it just looks weird, you know. So I mean, it's not gonna look as great with just this on it. But yeah, I'll get back to that and see how I'm gonna do this now. Alright, so I got all the nuts and bolts on it. I'm gonna be putting lock thread on these bolts and nuts, and then tying it up, and it just squeezes right in. I'm gonna be putting my horn sticker right here, my little fake Momo horn sticker. Bam, it's gonna look fresh as fuck. Oh shit. But yeah, This is how the setup looks. Pretty nice. So I got all that in, and here's the final result. Looks really nice and really clean. So my window's kind of dirty. But yeah, all you gotta do is press this and then pull the steering wheel, and then it comes off. But I like it. It's nice. Too bad I can't use a freaking horn, but it's okay. Alright, make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, you know, keep me motivated to make more videos, buy more stuff, order more parts, and install it. Alright, see you guys on the flip side. Alright.